Turn it into a squatted truck.
It's squatted, boys.
Brother, oh my gosh.
Is it gonna make it into the shed?
Ow.
I don't know.
Woo.
What was that?
It just fell all apart, I think.
Probably a weld breaking.
Is it still off the ground?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Sorry, don't get any closer.
No, this is not. Oh, that ain't professional. No, we should put the bed on like
She'll
that.
be okay, boys. She'll be okay.
I don't think it was okay. It just collapsed.
Yeah, no, there.
Burn out the back end. Bro, it looks like a monster truck or something. Back. When you're looking like right here. Oh, she's smoking. Yeah.
All right.